Preparing prototype materials for SunPouch, it was time to science the shit out of it. We had 3 prototype materials ready, and we needed to find out how well they reflect heat from our constant heat source. Step 1. We had to figure out our base or ambient temperature. As you can see, it was 25 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Measure the temperature directly under the heat source. We measured 48.4 degrees Celsius. Step 3. Let's measure our prototype materials. The first prototype reached a stable temperature in the SunPouch of 40.3 degrees Celsius. The second prototype, with a more textile-like material, reached a stable temperature in the SunPouch of 38.3 degrees Celsius. So we already see a better level of protection. Prototype number 3, with a plastic-like reflective surface, reached a stable temperature of 31.9 degrees Celsius, which is clearly the best protection out of the 3. Due to its poor performance, we decided to eliminate prototype number 1 and continue with the other 2. Now, what happens in a more real-world scenario, where we put a cell phone in the SunPouch with all wireless functionalities turned on? The cell phone produces heat by itself, so we expected higher temperatures inside the SunPouch. First, we tested prototype number 2. We saw a stable temperature of 36.6 degrees Celsius. This is even lower than without the cell phone. This is because the extra space created by the cell phone allows better access to outside air. Now, prototype number 3. Remember, this one had the best protection of the 3 without the cell phone inside. When the temperature stabilized, we saw 35.5 degrees Celsius, which is only about 1 degree cooler than prototype 2. This is also due to the fact that prototype 2 allows heat to escape through the textile-like material, and it is not trapped inside. Now for the conclusion. Using our experimental data from the second test, we see 2 materials that provide very comparable protection of 76 or 78%. Of course, we'll be doing more extensive testing. If you would like to stay up to date, click the links below.